Hello, my name is Bilal Akmal, and today I will show you the MRP subcontracting process, which can be done via a custom module which we have developed. Um, Let me show you how you can do it. First, you will go to the manufacturing module, then go for master data and select the work centers. Remember, you have to activate the work centers from the configuration of manufacturing by checking here. Then you will go the master data and work centers. Let's say we have a sample station 2. Let's say I'll rename it to subcontracting work center. Let's say we have named it. Now as you can see that there is subcontracting heading here. You will select the partner will be the vendor who is providing you the service. The product will be a service type product. I have already created a service type product, which is subcontracting outsource product. Let me show you how you will configure it. Edit. You only have to select here the product type as service. Then mark it as can be purchased only, as you will only purchase this service. I have defined here cost price, for example 500 for this example. Now you will define here the cost price, the default cost price here of subcontracting. The picking type will be the delivery, and the return type will be the receipt. It means the picking type will be your company and delivery orders. This picking type will generate when there's you know this picking type will generate when you will get out your product and send it to the partner or vendor, and the return type will be the receipts, as you will receive after processing the subcontracting here. Then we will save it. Now we will go back here. Let's say now we will go to the manufacturing orders, and okay, first we have to create a bill of material. For this I will create a new product. Let's say subcontracting product. Create and edit. I will make it as a stockable product. Cost price, let's say 50, and a sale price, let's say 100. Okay, everything else will remain the same. Save. Then we will edit. Okay, we are creating bill of material. We will select the root here, which is a custom assembly line for this particular example. Let's say we will use here raw material one. Create and edit. Same. Can save raw material to, let's say its cost is 9, and then save. Now you will mention here, um, this raw material will consume in first step, which is packing, and this raw material will be used in the second step, which is testing. This is the these are the components of this product. Now we will go for the manufacturing order. We'll create a new one. We'll select the product, which is subcontracting product, and the bill of material will be picked automatically. And let's say we are going to develop 10 items. We'll save it and then check availability, as the stock is not here in the system, so we will have to first add the stock manually. Let's say this item has 50 stock, and this item has 70 stock, let's say 70. Okay. Now we'll go back to the manufacturing order. Now we will check availability again, and it will be reserved as there are stock in available in the system. Now we will plan it. As you plan it, we will have the work orders here. We will go to the work order. Let's say we are processing the first work order. There is a process button. We click on the process. It was blocked. Let me unblock here. Continue. Let's say this process has been done. Mark as done. Go back to the last manufacturing order which we created. First work order has been completed. The second is so this is the okay. We will process it as well. Mark it as done. And go back to your manufacturing order again. Now you have the last option of subcontracting work center, as you can see here. Now we will click on process, and then we will go back to that process. Now we'll go to the manufacturing order again, and on that work center which is in progress, after you mark it as in progress, you will create you will click on the create subcontracting, as you can see here. After creating here, you will see that in miscellaneous tab you have a purchase order, you have a delivery, and you have a return. Let me show you each. In purchase order, you have 10 quantity here, and the unit price is 500, as you can see. And the vendor selected is ASUS, which was selected in the configuration. The product is also selected from the configuration, and it is in out of queue state, which is in draft stage, and you can edit it accordingly, and then process it. Now go back to the work center, and in miscellaneous you'll see there's a delivery here, and in delivery there is a subcontracting product, which is the main product, not the not the component. And this is the main product. You will click here. First you click here as mark as to do, and then it is automatically reserved, and then validate, apply, and you have you have a and now the stock has been out for the subcontracting process. You will go back here again, and when you will receive the product after processing, you will go to the return, and then mark as to do, and then validate. You are now receiving back the product in your stock. Now let me go back again, and after you have processed all these things here, the delivery and the return thing here, you will again click on the process, and mark it as done. Now your process has been completed. We will go back to the manufacturing order. That's the tracking product, and we will mark it as done. Now your process has been completed. You can select the inventory moves here, and you can also see the cost analysis here. In the cost analysis, you will not see the purchase thing, because you will access it outside of the manufacturing, because you are creating a manufacturing order and you are not making it as a cost here. So this is the main functionality of the module we developed. I hope this module will help you in any way. Thank you for watching.